This is how we start day 2. Okay, we're not done yet, but there's another storm coming, so we had to stop. So all these walls are covered. Some of it doesn't go all the way down because the benches will cover that. And actually, I just still need to put a piece there. So this is done all the way up here. All the way around there. Have to put a piece at the bottom. That wall's done. So all that's left is up here. Okay, it's actually the morning of day 3, but before we start, I want to show you what we got done on day 2. All of this carpeting is done up to the top. All here. Still a mess, of course, because it's like construction zone. But you can see we got a lot done. And it looks good. So this carpet has taken a long time to do. It's very time consuming. So we just have to do this part right here and this part right here, which will get done on day 3. And the top is off. That's a tarp. So we have the top off to do some work on it, and we have to put carpet inside that, which we ran out of. So we're going to go looking for some of that. There's a little bit of glue cleanup I have to do, but that's really easy. It comes right off. So this is what we have left. That's it for day 2. See you on the next one.